Welcome back to GTNH New Horizons. Today we are going to build some laser engravers. And maybe we will get to the EV energy hedge by making some tungsten steel. And how we get there is, first of all, I want to start processing and stone dust for tungsten. And the radon is basically just a waiting game. I already have 17 decayed radium, so that would be enough to get started already. But I wanna make a few more laser engravers to basically replace this entire setup here with EV machines, EV cutter, EV lasers, EV circuit assembler. And then also what I will do is before that actually, I want to change the setup which I built over here. I want to remove these two turbo gas turbines and instead build a battery, an EV battery storage underneath here. Connect these gas turbines to the EV battery storage with some Lapoton crystals. Then remove all of these steam machines here and have an EV machine area over here instead. These LV machines are obsolete. We don't need that many more. And also, the tungsten processing will actually be done using steam grinders and steam separators, and then processing the end stone dust with HV centrifuges in the end. But until the end stone dust, the previous components will be done with these steam multis, since they are pretty good for that. I already collected some tungsten dust, so we could technically already get started making the hatches. But first, let's build basically the contraption that is turning cobblestone into the endstone with the Thormic basic tree, which is probably going over here. And for that we need 4 block breakers and the I think it's placers, right? Yeah, block placers. So 4 of these. Then we need a rock breaker, an EV rock breaker, HV rock breaker, which is going to be connected to this HV power supply. Oh, wait a second, why are you not running? Oh, you finished all the 700 titanium. I think that's a good amount. I think I can leave this off for now. Turn off the turbine here for a sec. Let some benzene stock up again. Okay, I can put the other thorium. And then I think that's actually it. The entire thorium I got now. Yeah. So the amount of radium dust we have here, plus this one, and here the decayed radium, I hope that's enough to get started with. To make all of these 4 laser engravers and circuit assembler. Alright. So, we also need a what's this? I think a timer. Not this one. What's the... Wait. Project Red. Project. Why can I not filter like that for this mod pack? Is there a reason why this Project Red mod doesn't show up in the NEI? Is this sorted alphabetically? Yes. So let's go to... Oh, that's too far. Huh? Where's P? Wait, what? Here. Project Blue. Where's Project Red? What? How can I see then how to make the timer? But it's probably made with these components here, right? The circuit plates. It's kind of weird that this doesn't show in NEI. Sequencer, repeat timer. This one. And otherwise we just need the normal project red cables. Which I'm not sure of. I think it was a normal red alloy cable. And then let's see. Like use that and then turn it. Yeah, okay. Red alloy wire. That's the one. This one we need as well. So we need quite a lot more of these etched red alloy foils. Do I have more red alloy? And also, I had to put this in here for a second for processing the thorium, which is now processing. Good. All right. Then, what else do we need here? Redstone dust. Okay, the rest is kinda... Wait, can I use a red ruby lens? Yeah. The rest is actually not that difficult. Oh, wait. That was not what I wanted to make. I need the ruby plates for that. So, first of all, let's go to the LV page. And then we need 8 motors, 4 conveyors. Yeah. And for that we need more magnetic iron rods and copper wire. Rods and copper wire, that means copper. Also these steel rods here, put them in here. And the stone plates. No, wait. This first needs to go to the ruby lens. What else we needed? Right, HV components, but I think that is not that difficult. Then we need 2 normal circuit plates. One, like that. So this one is with just a bit of redstone. Any circuit? No. Or? Ah, no, that's conductive plates. So we need more of these. Okay, so they need to be... Actually, all of them need to be conductive plates. Which is molten redstone. What? Ah, second one. And then 2 with the redstone. Torch. Got 2 of that. And this one. And I think that is all. That's the timer. Let's see if that's the one I want. Yes. So, next step. More copper wire. Why do I have 18 copper plates? I think I accidentally put them in here. How are we doing with the frames? 144, and I wanted 130 for the setup. So if I make 128, it's gonna be good already. They are circuit 1. And right, that was the AV page with the components. You did not make... Did you make the... Here, okay. Good. That means steel gears and a few steel casings. I think 16 for the casings, and gears are for also 16. Mining pipes. I should have some somewhere. No. Then let's turn... Can I turn the large steel ones here? I guess I could. Eight mining pipes. The AV processors we have still, I think. Okay, and these diamond, I think that's something. Oh no, 25 diamonds here, nice. Steel plates. And I think I had more over here. Okay. Let's make these. Then block placers. Tin item pipes. I guess it's the normal one. Yeah. This one is actually needed for... Oh no, I can actually leave them in here, I think. That's not an assembly craft. Alright, and then the advanced rock breaker. Let's go to the AHV page. We need basically everything. Double steel plates. Just one. And also a diamond. Okay. Then stainless. Stainless steel. And gold carrots. What else was missing? Even more stainless steel. And stainless steel pipes. Plates. Okay, you are not done yet. Okay. Redstone can go here, this as well. Let's see. Yes, can make that. That's the advanced rock breaker. Then we need a lava and water bucket. Actually got a lava bucket here. We also need actually 4 barrels for the output. Wood plates. Any wood plates? No. How were these done again? Circuit 2 with refined glue and wood pulp. Wood pulp. I guess I don't have. No, I should have actually some. And then refined glue I also have here. Circuit 2, pulp, refined glue. I'll take a while. And then combine these with some chests. We need 3 more for now. Okay. Then let's get that and some wait a minute. So if what's the range? And I hope it just turns the adjacent block into endstone. Okay. Oh no, that is not good. But anyway, there should always be then, like it's immediately gonna break it and then place the new block. The only thing is I don't want this to be turning my walls here into endstone. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ah, there was with the scissor. So, let's say, first of all, let's put the barrels down. That's the output. If we put, okay, let's just put it here. Then the block breakers. Then cobblestone. Placers. Can I not rotate them? Okay, I need to do this other way around then. I think I can rotate the breakers. Or I just... build like this. Then we will... but then... No, wait. I could have just built the placers then this way. So, placers and the breakers. Then cobblestone goes here. Then the tree part. And the leaves. Okay. Then we need to separately put signal there. So we also need some conduits. Oh. I guess we're low on that. You're doing fine. This one still needs a lot of time to process all the electrotyne. And already got 4. What is this? Okay. Still have some space. We need these here, the strips. And disconnect these both. Then let's use another block for that. We need to put the timer here. Then we want to and think it's enough that... Ah, no, no, no. No, stop. Actually, we need to repeat the signal. Like now, I only have the one here for the breaking. Obsidian can't be broken. That is not good. I hope it never turns into obsidian. Okay. We need to get a... I don't have one. But the redstone torch, right, is fine. I can put one... Can I put one here? Yeah. It's turning it off. Then we also need the rock breaker to feed into these. So we got some power under here. That means from here, could build it then here. So this and that. This one here. Is that properly connected? No. And then we need... Can I put lava here? And water here? Yes, that's working. But if I connect you here, you should not connect. That's a separate thing here. And we need to make the repeater. Not this one, the Project Red one, but that's again impossible to see with any eye, I guess. How to make that one. Oh, we had enough of these. Then how to make the repeater. This one. Six, 7, 8, 9. And we have 5 here. So we need some stone plates. That stone dust here. And what else? The anode. Alright, all... No, 5 of them are again with the liquid redstone. Then 2 anodes which need like 3 redstone each. Wait. Ah, that's a torch with redstone. Good. Then liquid. And you go in here. And 2 anodes. 2 cathodes. And the 4. That's the repeater. Okay. Then some ender conduits. Got 18 plates here. Okay. These need to be turned into the small pipes. Combined. But I guess that's actually not enough yet, since we also need to connect these to the separator, macerator, and centrifuges. But for getting this started, it's fine. They can be all insert on light gray. You extract on, where is light gray? Okay, then we need to place the repeater on the back here. Connect that one up. Okay. That should now work. Set the cycle to, I think it was 0.8 or something. And let's go. Oh, this has to be extracting on round robin. Hello? Are you not making cobblestone? the power empty already? No. Power is there. Right, it has power. No. Why it was disconnected again? Oh, that was... This is also something I... Ah, damn it. I mean... It is what it is. Why was this disconnected again? Okay, now it's working. That is bad. That is very bad. Wait. Is it at some point just replacing it again with endstone dust? Let's replace this one. Okay, now it seems to be working. And if I put this one down, does it eventually turn into obsidian? Seems like not. Okay. I hope this one can keep up. What's the power saying? Power is fine. Next step. Next step is building the macerators over here. Separators here. Or no, macerator here maybe. Separator here. And the centrifuges over here. And collect the platinum and tungstate dust. So these can be put back. That means we need a few of these bronze plated bricks. 16 in total. Do we have still some? Yes. Bricks are no. Oh, bronze plated bricks are already in here. So we need just 9 more. So a few bronze plates then. That is a not in. Ah, maybe that's actually enough since we don't need all. Then we need pistons, diamond, and tembaga frame. Boxes are even more here. Did I make more? Yes, I did. So I guess 12 should be fine. But anyway, we need more bronze for the bronze gears. And I think... I actually got the bronze. And then also let's make a few more plates for the rest of the components. That was here. Okay, plates we actually have enough. Do we have bronze fluid pipes for... D, so one more. Oh. Otherwise, the ultra low voltage fluid tank. And for the separator, I actually need a output hatch. Anything, right, the tembaga. Or I also need to maybe make some more potent pipes. The pending... actually, maybe I'm gonna use the steel version. I know the potent is actually still bigger. Then can I... Now I should be able to make these. Yes. Separators. One wrong skill missing. Okay. So these parts are done. Also got quite a lot of the solid steel machine casing already made. Tembaga plates. 4 and another 4 here. Bronze plates, steel plates. I got 122. I don't think I need 130. I just made this number up, like, because I thought this would be enough. Tin plates. Output bus. Input bus. No more hoppers. Let's steal them from here. That's these done. Steam hatches. Right, for these. Lay fluid pipes and 2 water buckets. And that means steam hatches. Separators done. These are done. Then I guess, yeah, I need to make some wrought iron plates. Can I not make this in the... Yeah, I can. And the LED cable. Do I have lead? Yes. And actually, I can do this way cheaper like this. I just need to make it circuit 2. And then put one of these cells. The other machine casing I'm gonna keep for something. Molten polyethylene. The machine. Ah, wait, first that. I forgot the other one actually to do properly. That's fine for now. The Tumbaga one. Okay. So, where this steam should come from. I mean, I guess I can get it from here. Then steam hatch. That's the one for the macerators. Let's put it here. And the rest. Separator was, grinder was just the 3x3. And in the middle, yeah. So we need the first one and the second one. We can put these like here. Input bus, output bus. That can be, let's put the input bus in the bottom. And then have the output bus on the top here. And I guess the rest is just the steel hulls. Okay. Let's get the conduits. First of all, we need steam. To test how much steam we actually need. Let's get some steam from here. Oh. That was a bad idea, actually. So, put that amount of steam in here. And then, let's get half a stack. Ah, no, 16. Then both can run, right? You need 800. So 1,600. 1600 liters per second. Then let's get the separator built, which should go then over here. Ah, right, I still need these things here, the gearboxes and pipe casings, before I can continue. For that I also need some steel frame boxes. So I made, yeah, everything for that. And this one, I didn't make the steer gears yet. I have 32 of that. And so the steel gears, that's, I guess, a stack of steel. It's gonna take a while, actually. Then let's get this started. I think there was a fire, yeah, like this I'm gonna build it. So bronze braided bricks and this kind of shape is basically the same thing I have to build over here, but from the steel version. That is enough space, I think. And then first of all, the center can be done like that. And the sides like this. And same on this side. No. That looks weird. Okay. Good. Then I guess in this center here, I think, did I put the steam hatch there? Yes. So steam hatch can go here. No, this one. And then checking the second layer is the gearbox that needs the gears. But gearbox is in here then. Let's wait for these. I hope 26 are still enough. 12. Circuit 3 and one side can be finished up. And then this layer was still the bronze braided bricks plus the controller. So this goes here, here, there, and the controller. The bottom I did already. But you wrote this way, right? Same on the other side. Here 3, there 3, and here the next controller turning this way. Then actually the output hatch can go here, and we need to put a trash can in front of this. And I think I put the trash can here for now. I'm gonna avoid the helium-3. And probably also the normal helium for now. Normal helium I should collect later on, but for now I rather want this setup to be running. And then input, I think, so this one's output. Then we can put the output here. Wait a minute. Which one? Ah, right. It's always, yeah, we're gonna have, we can have the input over here and the output over here. Right? Wait, where, how did I do it? How did I do it here? Input was there and then, okay. I could use barrels as buffers. Here, box. Okay. Let's get the other side done. So we're gonna have the output. Then over here, barrel goes here. Here's another barrel for output. Then this one is input. Then the center was on top of the gear. That's right. Here needs to be, there needs to be one. This here. No. And this one, this one, this one. Was that it? No. I think, yeah, right, this one here still. Did I? It's a steam hatch. No, this should be, that should be working now. Is the center empty? No. Interesting. I think that's the exact same way. Or are they? No. Uh-huh. That is the output hedge. Or did I make an input hedge? No. Output hedge. I think it's exactly the same thing. Does it have trouble with the... Also with the barrel here? Steam head, output bus, input bus, output hedge. Okay, how about we build just one for now? And then see if that's working. That means this layer, I think, is then just this one, right? It's still not forming. Okay, let's start from scratch. Oh wait, did I have some multi-block projectors made? Yes. Hey, MC Tim. I've just upgraded a few of my multi-blocks to LUV and your power fail is scaring me. Wait, what? Which power fail you mean? Right now I don't have... Did you have a power fail noise? Probably because I just took out some steam from the macerators. Oh no, maybe it was me then. Yeah, it was probably you. That's even more scary then. AUV. What kind of multi-blocks are you building right now in AUV? Okay, let's try this again. So we have... That was correct. Why is it complaining about this? Okay, let's remove the center part here as well. the extruder and material press. The extruder power failed. Yeah, extruders take quite a lot of power, right? And if you run them in parallel. Oh, I know what was the problem. I was missing the bronze firebox casing. But yeah, I need the steel firebox casings. That was the issue. That was the problem. Frames. I should have some frames. Yeah. Nice. Can make exactly 2. I can't wait to get my AE2 system started. Probably I will get some power fades once that one is running. Oh, there's another firebox in the middle. Ah, damn it. Okay. That means again, let's put these here. And steam hatch. Then like that. Okay. And of course, copy the same setup here. Then in the middle, a firebox, the pipe casings. Here goes the other separator. Output hatch. The no, this one. Input output. And some more. It's okay. Now? Oh, come on. Ah. Yes, now. Okay. Yes. Then let's steal some steam somewhere again. This time from here. And let's see how much steam are you gonna use. 2000, and that means 4000. Okay, so we need to transport. This was 800, right? Again, let's check. It's fine. That was me now. And these are probably also gonna power fail. 800, 800. So we need to transport 5600 steam to there. That is enough with the normal potion pipes. So let's melt these ones down. Do we have... That's just one potent pipe. One potent plate. So there is... Ah, here's potent. Okay. We need a few pipes. And I think these should be fine running next to the... Even the ore processing is running. My steam production should handle that. Should be able to handle that. Line mode. Okay. We need more pipes. Another stack. $22, is that enough? Probably not. So where am I here? I am in the air, okay. I could actually connect directly to the boiler. I think I'm gonna do that. Since the boiler is full, right? Yeah. Okay. That should be all I need. Can you... Okay, you're getting steam. And you also getting steam. Good. That means let's set this up, and we need more conduits. I guess that's definitely not enough. So, pulsating iron. Let's make a stack again. Like this much. Coal dust, raw silicon. How much coal dust I have here? Nothing. No, that was magnetite. Here's coal dust. Circuit 2. And then this combined with iron dust. Iron dust I don't have in here anymore. And ender pearl powder I also don't have. Wait, should I? Here. Need to think about a solution for my ender pearls. Guess probably some type of a mob farm. 32 decayed radium and some still in here. That is gonna be 144 per what kind of an HV electrolyzer? Okay. Hey, is that you get EEC soonish, but at EV it will be slow. EEC. Ah, is it? This one here. I never used that one. It's else. LH. Okay. Extreme anti-pressure, and then I need to capture a monster, right? And then put it in here. I mean, okay. That is something for the future. Let's write that down. Entity crusher. So at some point we need to make that. Where's my... Ah, here, ender pearl dust. Plus the redstone alloy. And this one with circuit 11. Let's also get more electrum. And how many pipes we're gonna make? I think for 30 is a good amount. Okay, let this cook. Then the next part of that process is to hook up the centrifuge. And I will steer this one for now. This one. Then need a raw for the outputs and filter plus 2 trash cans. I need a fluid one and an item trash can. Item for the sand. Or I just put a void upgrade. I put in storage upgrade and a void upgrade in there. Then we don't need to take care of the sand. And the helium, actually. Do I have another? I don't have another super tank. Then get these pipes and connect them to the... Connect the output to the liquid trash can of the separator. Like over here. So stuff is coming out from there. And then here. Yeah, here maybe. I forgot to bring the wires. Then let's make already the pipes. The conduits. Okay, that should get the separator going, the macerator going. So this one is just extract everything on green. And here insert on green. Okay. That's running. Then we can turn this on. Let this process the and yeah, here running, steam's fine. And then here input just extract input. And you are also running. Good. Steam is doing fine. Okay, nice. Then let's hook up the separator, the centrifuge. So, cables and actually more conduits. Here goes that. And maybe a second one, depending on that production. I didn't really calculate that. You just extract. Nope. You just extract. Insert. And also set you to round robin in case I'm gonna put another one. Okay. How's the... Yeah. Is that enough? Good. Are you running? You're not running? Then... No? Yes. And your output is here. Let's get the fluids. And then if I don't want to avoid this anymore, I just put a super tank here. Speed so far is fine for having two, I guess. Two of the centrifuges running. Actually, put this here. You're gonna insert on red. You're gonna extract on red. This, that, this, void upgrade, and storage upgrade. Good. That is the setup for infinite tungsten. If everything is running properly, and this obsidian is not causing problems. I don't know why. Sometimes the obsidian can be broken, or it's like, ah, okay. Probably it's like changing the obsidian back into, it doesn't seem to be breaking. Yeah, but then sometimes it flips the obsidian back into endstone. Like there, for example, again. This one is now not changing anymore. I don't know why. But anyway, this system is producing more endstone that the macerator can process for now. And like the separator as well is like, it's too much for this one as well. So anyway, it's okay. You need to still fluid auto output. And then we cannot even, we don't even process the endstone fast enough. So I could still, I guess if I have a lot of power, I can change the setup to use the EV multi-blocks. But I think at this point, tungsten I will get from tungstate ore, right? And then this one is already on Mars, so... Or you Deimos Mars. So anyway, once I'm a bit further, I don't need this system actually anymore. Okay, let's lock that. And that's the system done for now. First of all, power draining. And the turbine back on. Let's put that in here. And let's put some bauxite, for example, in the processing line. I still have the ilmenite. I still have the extract actually off. Okay, so the bauxite will also not be processed. There was something I'm gonna fix. Right, the problem was my benzene production. The platinum metallic powder dust is nice for a while too. Right, since... What's another source for platinum? First, the plat line, I need to start with the platinum metallic powder, right? So I need the platinum metallic powder anyway. But later on I will get it from is it this one? Sheldonite, I guess. But anyway, pretty much. And stone. But the thing is, okay, my benzene went up again, but yeah, I cannot activate the second turbine because my benzene is gonna be immediately drained. Which means, right, the next thing I wanted to do was actually get some tungsten to make the goal is to make the energy hatch, since with that I can build the better dynamo hatch and then upgrade these turbines here with large turbines. And these gonna process, have a higher efficiency. Oh wait, did I just take out? These are having a higher efficiency, so I hope to save some benzene there. But for that, we need to process the tungsten first. Because we need the extreme voltage coils. So, advanced autoclave. I have that one. That one is over here. Wrench. Quest done. Let's make a new processing line here. We're gonna get the sodium tungstate like that. I think I had exactly 63 tungstate dust. $69 now. What's that's 70. Can I get? No, that's okay. Let's do it with 63. Then this one turns into scheelite. And this one into tungstic acid. Actually, I need to do that. And then this one, blast furnace. $63 tungstic acid, tungsten trioxide. And then I guess I will use... Wait. Why is this one so much better? I mean, it uses a lot of hydrogen, but... That is 5 seconds versus 400? Okay. And 4 to 1. Ah, wait, that makes tungsten dust, and then... Okay, never mind. Nope. We need the tungsten ingots. Wait. $60. Okay, we don't have enough to make. Then let's make 56. Let's do that. Oh, what was the next one? 70. No, we don't have that. Do you have coils for it? What was this? Nichrome coils. Then it's fine. Yeah. I have. I'm already upgraded everything to nichrome coils. So we need sodium and water. 16. Water. Circuit. Nothing. After that, 16 calcium chloride. Done with, I guess. So this one is giving, this one is giving calcium chloride, and calcium chloride is giving, okay, so the calcium chloride is just gonna be returned. Just need to make 24 now, and then got enough for that always. Which one is the best? This line has nice looping. So then actually, wait, I have my LCR here. If I, so this one needs hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid is not gonna come back, right? That's gonna be gone. Salt. Okay, then we need hydrogen, I guess. Water, yeah, plus, yeah, sodium as well. Okay, but for now, let's make it once and then thinking later about building a proper setup. What is this? Calcium carbonate? Okay, that's not. Calcite and hydrochloric acid. Let's do this one. Do we still have? N plus 1 here. That means just 5 more. Here's already. Okay. Can I combine these two cells? Okay. Circuit 1. Here should be done pretty fast. Then we need calcite. Should be. Is it this one? Yeah. 40. For the chemical process, actually, I was planning to make a huge LCR area, but I checked the way to build universal LCR setups, and I'm actually gonna rush the AE2 technology to build universal automation actually, instead of building a lot of LCRs. That is so much better. Okay, and this stuff can just go into the trash. Wait. Where's my... Wait, what? Oh, it's... okay. Now. Calcium chloride, carbon dioxide, and water. That means here we got the calcium chloride, which then is gonna react with the... Oh wait, to delete that stuff. Clean up. Yes, magnet. And right, so we need to get this. Which circuit? No circuit. And put that in here. That's the scheelite dust. And then this plus the hydrochloric. Alright, I need more hydrochloric acid. "16 of you. "16 of hydrogen. Then make it circuit 1. Scheelite is here. Salt. Oh wait. Is there... Right, the retrieval task is tungsten trioxide. Okay. Which one? Ah. Okay, good, good. Yeah, good, I have this. Then next step. This no circuit. Oh wait. Oh, that is EV. We're gonna do the following. We don't need the implosion compressor right now. Yoink this one. Let's go. Is this one taking... Good. That's the tungstic acid. Calcium chloride comes back here. And that goes into the blast furnace. All right. That was it already. That is the tungsten trioxide. Oh. Wait, no, no way. We need TPV coils for that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh damn. Oh no. That is gonna be expensive. So we need for our setup 42 TPV coils. And that means okay, the mic insulator for that's anyway no problem. TPV ingots. I guess I'm gonna use nitrogen for these. Oh, the helium. Okay, actually I'm gonna capture the helium. And I'm also gonna build the quadruple input hatch. But the thing is, titanium is no problem. Platinum is the problem. 144 platinum dust. And I don't want to build the bloodline yet. I want to build bloodline with AE2. You can passive titanium, but it's low. I have titanium already. Here, that's my titanium. 700 I have right now. Titanium is not the problem. I have a lot of titanium. Platinum's gonna be the problem. Deep slate line? No, that's bauxite and ilmenite processing. And here is basically the ilmenite. Once I turn it off, once I turn it on again, because of power, I have turned it off right now. And yeah, it collects the rutile here and then the rutile processing. You can get small amount of plat by directly smelting matte dust. What do you mean with matte dust? Ah, yeah. Platinum metallic powder. But the thing is though, that is like that is like a few nuggets, right? And I need, where's the recipe for the nuggets? Compressor. Where's the, is there no, what's the nugget to? Where's the recipe compressing nuggets to ingots? It was that EBF recipe you clicked? 9 nuggets to 1. And can it calculate with that? No. I wanna see how many platinum metallic powder I need. That's why I wanna add this nugget to ingot here. So we just need 1944 platinum metallic powder dust. Okay, then see you in a week. Bye. Oh no. I guess we have no choice but getting the start of the bloodline going. because that is not gonna happen. First of all, I can start processing the tungsten at least. The tungsten trioxide, that was nichrome, yeah. And some carbon dust. Okay. That's already gonna take quite a lot of power. Right now we are at 2.1 million. Let's see after the tungsten is done. Oh nice, it's turning into desert. Pollution is going crazy. Yeah, alloy smelter. Alloy smelter for nuggets to ingots. Damn it. But, okay, then. So, getting to... Can we... What is the... So I will actually get platinum dust directly from this. What if I remove this? And that is this one here. So we need in this recipe that. Platinum concentrate is made by a metallic powder. Okay. We still need 1300 metallic platinum metallic powder to get this one going. Less than before, but still a lot. 2.5 million aqua regia. That is also an insane amount. Uh, 1.9 million hydrochloric acid. Uh, I mean, we could build these setups with AE2 once I get into here, right? I don't need the tungsten steel for AE2. I just want that for the energy hedges to have a better power source. But I can start with AE2 without that, which is making the process to build the chemicals and bloodline things easier. Let's switch over to the to continue with wait, what was that? Right, that was all the chemicals I wanted to make. Nichrome coils. Where's my EV component page? Here. Let's continue here with that stuff. I want to make the EV assembler circuit assembler. Do I still have mainframes? Seems like not. Need to make 2 of these then. And we need 4 laser engravers. They are expensive. We need at least 1 to get started with AE2 stuff. Okay, that's quite a lot of... Let's make 2 for now. Just to have still some circuits left over. Then we need to make these. Ah, right, and these also need circuits. And I think for the quest, need to make the sensor as well. Why are you not? Okay. That means, yeah, that's already 13 EV circuits plus the main thing. Then diode, cable diode. Then a battery buffer, an EV battery buffer with, yeah, 9 slots is fine, I think. Then lapotronic crystals. 4 amps I want basically. Okay, like that. Let's make the battery buffer first. Since I want to put the battery buffer underneath here and replace these machines with the EV ones from here, put them over here. Oh, I guess the hot tungsten is done. Oh, this one needs EV power. Okay. Anyway, then tungsten stuff later. So, get the ruby dust and ruby dust 32 and some redstone 40. And after that, lapotron dust with lapis dust. That is no circuit, and the other one is circuit 2. Can already start dismantling some of these machines. Okay. Then is that you can also be gone. They will be used then in for the EV machines. I also want to Let's make this chest bigger. Probably I will throw these all into a arc furnace. And something in here. And stone dust. Oh, come on. This one as well. Then it's the lathe here. This dust, just throw it away. Oh no, that's Tumbaga. Let's keep that. Brass as well. The rest I have tons of anyway. That's the basic extruder, polarizer, forming press, canning machine. I think I don't have another one yet. This distillery can be gone. The lathe, of course. The arc furnace, I have a higher tier centrifuge. Okay. Then I will keep this canning machine here. This one can also be gone. And this assembler for the cables can also stay for now. Okay. Where did I put the 4x cables? Then this one I will still keep. You can remove the laser engraver and mixer. But I still have to make a new fluid solidifier, an EV electrolyzer, then another EV assembler, and a chemical reactor for the rubber to replace this completely. And I will probably actually have the... So for EV power, what was I using? Black steel cable. 4 amps here. Yeah, that's fine. That is the 4x wires. Let's get some 2x wires to let's see. Do I have nothing of these. Okay. Where's my aluminium? Wait, what? Let's make some. I think Yeah, that was the circuit one, since I don't have the other fluids in here yet. And yeah, I need to get, I guess, let's make 6 machine holes. Or let's make just 8. Like, get a stack of. Yeah, first of all, get more titanium. And then I can get 8. 8 machine casings. Machine holes. How's the Energium plus lapis? And this plus the molten vibrant alloy. I have that here, nice. That is done in an autoclave, yeah. I think there was a quest for that. 120. Am I making? Oh yeah, I'm actually making 120. Nice. Yeah, the quantum ice. So we need radon. That is, I think, electrolyzing the decayed radium dust, right? Yeah. Ah, but in HV electrolyzer. So this one. 90 seconds per. Okay. Then that's 4 Eye of Enders. Eye of Enders, any Eye of Enders? Yes. Okay. So the quest wants to make 4, and we need also 4 for the current crafting process. Wait, this one is done in the chemical bath HV. I think that is something I don't have. Right? Cutting machine, compressor. Yeah, I think I don't have that. So let's make an... Alright, I have an EV chemical bath for the ilmenite. Let's make another one. Bath. Is that the one that can be used? Yes, I can make the washing plant with that, so doesn't that's not a wasted one. Ah, it was here already. Then these were made with aluminium cables. I have almost none. Any rewards? Oh, plastic circuit boards. These are nice for now. But otherwise, nuclear reactors. What do I need for these? Dense lead, dense titanium. So basically the difficult part is the titanium. Which means, since I have that, I could make a basic reactor running on thorium to power the AE2 system, I guess. How are you doing? This one's almost full. This one's also growing. That means I can run 2 of these, actually. Which I should already do. Can I quickly make another one? No, not that. Is that circuits and electrum? That is fine. Electrum. Let's get a few more cables. Get the barrel back here. I think it was 8. And I have already one more centrifuge running. The cable was always in here. Okay, nice. I forgot the conduit. Connect. This one here. Insert on green, extract on red. And connect to the power. And connect to the pipe. And auto output fluid. Okay. Now 2 are running. Perfect. And I guess steam is gonna be fine. Is anything running here right now? Okay, nothing. Then steam could be fine because of that. Except the processing here for the electrotine. Which is just taking 2000, so basically nothing. Okay, that takes longer than expected. Back to here. Circuit 8. No. Pulsating iron ball, nice. Damn it. Alright. Then copper can go aluminum. I'm gonna need let's skip the advanced circuit assembler for now. So I still have to make the mainframes. I need to make some platinum rods, so I need to process some of the platinum. For this we should have probably enough. Are you still making aluminium, right? Oh, that takes longer than I expected. Right, I think I had the same problem last time, that's why I didn't make more aluminium. This one I just have to run another time. And this one is circuit 1. And anyway, we have to wait. Also, I think black steel was missing, right? 24. And some rubber sheets as well. Let's get a stack of the black steel cables. And you can go. Get some rubber here. And some sheets. Then titanium rods. Stainless steel rotor. Titanium. Got nothing here. Stainless steel. Just a bit. Then that's EV circuits. The rubber sheets and black steel wires are here. Yeah. So actually I need to make the chemical bar first. And once I got this, I can make the quantum ice. Huh? Why is there so much black steel wire missing? I don't think so. Huh? Alright then. Still 8 missing. I think this calculation just didn't work from the beginning. Now we have 22. This one says 20. Nah, this can't be. What's happening? You're missing one conveyor. But we got the conveyor here. Or do you need two? Okay, you need two. And for making another conveyor, we need 2 more motors. Black steel wire. We have black. Oh no. I was making steel wire all the time. Well, can I... Yeah, I can recycle that in the macerator. Then I get some free steel dust. Where's the... Here's the black steel. Okay. Okay, but now I can make this one because I just turned the 2x wires back. And here we need to put a cell of radon in here. Okay. Let's take the aluminium out for a sec to start the process on the platinum. How long is this taking? Okay. Not that long, that's good. But is that enough nuggets? That's already done. I guess these 24 nuggets. Your first platinum. Then we mold it to the 3 ingots. Ah no, it's 9 per ingot, yeah, not 8. Yeah. Then we can get 4 rods. Is there a quest? No. No platinum quest. Titanium, aluminium. And the quantum ice. 4 quantum ice, yes. That's done. And then now with the platinum rods, let's make an emitter and a sensor. That is already... Emitter takes 4 platinum rods. That's crazy. Oh no. How is the... Okay, Lapotron dust. That's done. Let's make the crystals. Four rods to get the emitter done. And then... Yeah, need more platinum now. What's the process here saying? 6. Wait, that could be... Wait, no, this could be enough to get 1 more ingot, right? Because we have... how many nuggets? Yeah. Then we can get... We could get that running. Did you finish? Yes. One more ingot, that means 2 more rods. So I can make a sensor to finish this quest. Which unfortunately doesn't give more platinum ingots as a reward, but I think we can make one laser, at least with the one emitter. And we need one laser engraver to get going with AE2. Because the thing is what we need for AE2, these inscriber presses. And these are made with an EV laser engraver. Diamond lens. And this one was... No, this one I just checked. Silicon one. No, here, no. This one... I think I got the air lens or something. Let's see. Let's... Where is it? Okay, yeah, I'm missing still the black steel. Do I need the clean room actually for making these? Where did I... Wait. I don't need a clean room. That's perfect. Then I can quickly plug the laser engraver now. Why it's saying, okay. First of all, make one sensor, then the laser engraver. Quest done. Laser engraver. Okay, perfect. Because that means get in here. That means now I need the sapphire lens, diamond lens, and some yellow one. This one. Green sapphire lens and the diamond lens. Nice, nice, nice. And some iron blocks. But I think, did I not make one? 27. How long are they gonna take? 100 seconds, okay. And then these are gonna be used in forming presses. Okay. But the thing is though, I want more laser engravers and I did not expect it. I didn't check the recipe exactly and saw that it needs 4 platinum rods. That means I'm gonna end it here for today and let the world run in the background to prepare more platinum powder for next time. Because I want to have the setup I want to build is a battery bank under here. Remove the creosote thingy here. Have the 2 EV gas turbines connect to a battery bank. Then the black steel wire goes here to some EV machines, and over here then to the clean room to provide power for the machines in the clean room. That's the plan. But that is not gonna happen today. But next time. But we did the endstone dust process. That is a very important thing, which now just can keep running in the background to process tungsten and platinum metallic powder. So that was a bit shorter today, but I will let this run until the next stream, probably like in 2 days or 3 days. Then we will have a bunch of resources ready, and I will probably also prepare some AE2 resources to get started with that. So, see you then. Bye bye.